Welcome back. We are now inside of LinkedIn.com. And what you'll notice is that when you seek to connect with an individual that LinkedIn recommends, it will not ask you any additional questions to connect with that individual. It will send your invitation to them, and then they'll make a decision about whether or not to connect with you. However, if you go to a person's profile and you seek to connect with them, what's going to happen is that LinkedIn is going to ask you for a personal note. However, by working within Sales Navigator, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to work within your curated list. As you can see here, you have a much smaller list of second and third level connections. And what you're going to do inside of this curated list is you can then save these individuals, and you're going to save them inside of a lead list that you created. And then as you go throughout your daily activity, what you're going to do is you're going to save these individuals inside of your custom lists. Then you're going to go inside your lead list. When you're ready to begin connecting, you're going to click inside your lead list, and then you're going to connect with these individuals by going to these three dots and clicking this connect button, and then you'll be able to track your activity here inside of Sales Navigator. Now, you can accomplish some of the same things by using search inside of LinkedIn. So if you do a search, you can begin to connect with individuals based on the parameters in your keywords. And you'll be able to go to these individuals and then click See All, and then determine whether you are going to generate some kind of connection. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.